Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6888. This ran from the 10th, 2012 to the 3rd, 2015. It has a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror. Left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory magnetic, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory magnetic, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, front bonnet no dents, right front 16-inch factory magnetic, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-stroke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,